this is day 3 of helping me count what's in this jar. On the first day we counted $8.78. On the second day we counted $7.26. Let's see how much we count today. Remember, you're going to need a sheet of paper that looks like this. What was my first step when there's a lot of money? What should I do? I'm going to sort it into piles to help me count. Pennies, nickels, dimes, quarters, and bills. Okay, I made my piles of my pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters, and bills. This penny is from 1989. Look, you can see the date right there. And this penny was made in 2019. Which one is older? Also, look at the back. The designs have changed. Have you ever looked at the year of a coin just for fun? So this is a quarter, and then you can see the year down at the bottom. Okay, and then look at the back. Just a standard quarter design on the back. But when I was in middle school, they started coming out with these cool state quarters so you could find designs about your state on the back of a quarter. This one is Kentucky. There's like a horse and a house or something on it. Texas. And it's the Lone Star State, it says. If you guys find one from Minnesota, take a picture and email it to me and I'll put it on the next video. You guys, it was really cool to collect all the 50 states of the quarters, I promise. These are the 2 older quarters. You can see the year down on the bottom, right here. And then that's just the design on the back of some of the older ones. So here's the ones with the state designs. You can see there's Kentucky, Wisconsin, Florida, Colorado, Texas, and Tennessee. And then the year up here is the year that that state became part of the United States. 1795, 1876, 1848, 1845. So it's not the year the quarter was made, but the year the state became part of the United States. And then starting in 2010, the U.S. Mint came out with America the Beautiful quarters. And they put different national parks or national sites on the back of the quarter. So you can see this one says Theodore Roosevelt. That's the year 2016. Vicksburg, 2011. Cumberland Island, 2018. Block Island, and this is American Memorial Park, 2019. There is one from Minnesota, and it's a Voyageurs National Park. So if you can find that one, take a picture and email it to me, and I'll put it on the next video. I'm ready to count my pennies. Remember, penny is just worth 1 cent, so these we just count by 1. Remember, I'll start, and then you're gonna finish. 1, 2, what did you get? When you're writing money, you always start with the dollar sign. And then, did you get 11 cents? Remember, don't forget the decimal point. All right, we're going to do our nickels next. How much is a nickel worth? 5 cents. So we're counting by fives. I'll start and then you're going to finish. 5, 10, 15. Let's see if we got the same thing. Remember, $sign first, then your decimal. Did you get 30 cents? If you did, nice job. If not, try again. All right, now we're moving up to our dimes. How much is a dime worth? 10 cents. So we're going to count by tens with these. I'll start and then you finish. 10, 20, 30. I got 100 right here. When you get to 100 cents, that means it's $1. So I have $1 right here. But I have 3 stragglers over here. So I'm just going to add on to my dollar. So $1.10, $1, $1. Start with your $sign. And we had $1.30. If you didn't get that, rewind and try again until you do. Now we're on to our quarters of all ages. How much is 1 quarter worth? 25 cents. And remember the pattern, it's 25, 50, 75, $1. So 4 quarters is $1. When I have a lot of quarters, I like to just make dollar piles. 4 quarters, $1. 4 quarters, $1. 4 quarters, $1. And then I have 1 straggler left. So I have $1, $2, $3, and how many cents? $3 and don't forget that $sign. $3 and did you get 25 cents? If you did, nice job. If not, rewind it and try it again. Now we're on to our bills. 1, 2, 3, plus 5. Oh, I don't like doing it that way. Here's another way. First, you want to lay out your bills so they're flat, just to make sure you don't have any other hidden bills folded in them. Then I like to start with the biggest bill first. 5, our $5 bill is the biggest, so let's start there. And then we add on to the biggest one. So let's start with 5, 6, how much money did you get in bills? Did you get $8? All right, now I'm ready to add my total, so I have my calculator out, and I don't want to forget these decimal points. It's very important when working with money that you don't forget the decimal point and that you have it in the right spot. Otherwise, you could end up with the wrong number. So I'm going to start with 0.11 plus 0.30 plus 1.30 plus 3.25, plus 8.00 equals, what did you guys get? All right, today was day 3 of helping me count what's in that jar, and we had $12.96. Just remember that counting money is a skill, and the more you practice, the more you'll get better at it. So don't give up even if it's hard. You can do this.